Hello from sunny Harrogate in North Yorkshire, in England. Today's little lawn care tip, little bit of lawn love, is it's rolling into late summer, early autumn. I know in the south of England, a lot of the lawns are burnt out because it's been so lovely and dry down there. But up here in North Yorkshire, you can see it's wonderful and green. And yeah, that's the lovely thing about our country, is diversity of grass growth. So here's a little tip if you're in the north, is basically I'd suggest now what you do is just try and cut your lawns slightly shorter, drop it down a length just to kind of give it some nice kind of give it a bit of stress so it kind of grows some new grass just before we roll into autumn and winter. And if you're in the south of England where it's all burnt out and dry, what I suggest you do is give your lawn a bit of a water. There's no hosepipe bans this year. It's a really effective thing to do. Now, the important thing about watering your lawn if you're in the south is that what you have to do is you have to water it fairly regularly every day for 20 minutes just to kind of get it back to growing. Now, what you'll find is when you first start watering it, because it's completely burnt out, the grass goes a little bit waxy. There's a term for it that I can't remember this morning, but what you have to do is you have to gradually nurture grass back to growth. And the way to do that is to give it a regular water daily, and it will just kind of gradually come back. What it does is it drops the overnight temperatures on the grass, and it basically helps the roots to kind of go, it's time to do a little bit of growth. So yeah, so that's my two tips. If you're in the north, give it a slightly shorter cut because it's quite actively growing at the moment. And if you're in the south, start giving the lawn a little bit of water just to kind of help it recover from what's been a fairly dry and wonderful summer down there. So that's my lawn love tip. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, because it's really encouraging to know that there's someone out there that cares about what I'm doing. I'm sharing every day. I've got two channels. One's called Lawn Love and one's called Garden Love. I'm sharing every day, sharing bits and pieces. So if you've got any thoughts or comments, if you like what I'm doing, please hit the like button. If you've got anything you want to share or any questions, please do ask questions, because I'm great at answering questions and I'm not so good at asking my own questions. Anyway, so that's it for today. I'll catch you tomorrow. Ta-da.